Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be installing this mirror visor. I just picked this up as kind of like an experiment item. I don't have an indoor parking garage or anything like that. Actually in a rental property. Um, and so I'm kind of forced to park outside. If you guys saw my last video, um, so basically I had freezing rain and everything just turned to ice. And one thing I really get annoyed at is that the ice will tend to build up around the corners of the mirror here, and then it takes a while to thaw out. So I was gonna try this as a way to see if I can extend the mirror visor a bit, causing the snow or ice or rain or whatever to fall beyond the mirror, so there's no accumulation here, no accumulation there, and then in hopes that that they will solve my issue. I do use these, so this is the best option if you guys are interested. They sell these all over the place. These are just basically somebody just sold a piece of material, jacket type material, polyester, whatever you call this. I don't know what you call it. But you just basically just put this over the mirror and you can seal it up. But there are some occasions whereby, like if I go to work or if I'm at the store or something like that, and then there's suddenly a snowstorm, I'm unable to cover it right away, and so that's why I'm hoping that these will work. And I've already installed the passenger side. It's already on there. I'm not sure if you can see that. I'll get rid of my sun visor there, and it doesn't seem to bother the field of vision. It's not that bad at all. So it's very straightforward. It's on a double-sided tape. The plastic itself is not very good. As you can see here, there's some imperfections there, but it's not that bad. It doesn't make any issues with the fitment, and it's all on double-sided tape. If this thing is good, I'm probably going to yank this off and then change the double-sided tape with a 3M tape. It's some generic tape that they had stuck on there. So would want it more permanent if this is good. It's not carbon fiber, it's just plastic fake stuff. So basically all I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna press it on. Nothing special. Anybody can do this. If you're interested in getting something like this. And so here we go. Just like that. Oh wait, let me just turn off the beeper real quick. So there we go. And there you go. Okay, I'm gonna securely press it on after the video, but as of right now, this is gonna be good enough. And so this is what it looks like. As you can see from the inside, it's not that bad at all. Fits well. That's the passenger side again. That also fits well. And so they sell these all over the place. You guys can find them if you're interested. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I'll show you what it looks like from the outside, and I'm gonna secure this again by myself after the video. But this is just a quick video to show anyone who's interested in purchasing something like this. I will do a review after the snow hits. It's supposed to hit probably sometime this week, so hopefully I can show you what it does or it doesn't do, and then you guys can make your judgment on whether or not you want to purchase this kind of item. So let me go outside and show you what it looks like. Okay, so that's the item there. Looks pretty good from the side. All right. So that's gonna be it for my YouTube video here. Happy New Year to everyone. Please subscribe and like, share, and thanks for your support, guys. See you in the next video.